everyone, welcome to our video. I am Dr.M.Nithya, Assistant Professor of Physics, the SFR College for Women, Sivagasi. Welcome to the topic Criteria of Good Research. Whatever may be the type of research works and studies, one thing that is important is that they all meet on the common ground of scientific method employed by them and valid results. In this video, we will explore the key criteria of research and its ethics. Research to satisfy the following criteria. The first one is clear definitions. The purpose of research should be clearly defined and common concepts to be used. The second one is what? Research procedure. The research procedure used should be described in a sufficient details to permit another researcher to repeat the research for further advancement, keeping the continuity of what has already been attained. The third one is yield, that is the output. The procedural design of the research should be carefully planned to yield a result that areas objectives as possible. Next one is report. The researcher should report with a complete frankness flaws in procedural design and estimate their effects upon the findings. Then only it will be useful for the further researcher. The next one is data analysis. That means it is related to the results analysis. The analysis of data should be sufficiently adequate to reveal its significance, and the method of analysis used should be appropriate. That means the method which we used is clearly explained. The validity and reliability of the data should be checked carefully before we have to publish the result. Next, the conclusion part. The conclusion should be confined to those justified by the data of research and limited to those for which the data provide an adequate basis. The final one for the research criteria is reputation. Greater confidence in research is warranted if the researcher is experienced, has a good reputation in research, and is a person of integrity. By understanding these criteria, researchers can increase the credibility and trustworthiness of their findings, ultimately contributing to the advancement of knowledge in their field. Next, about the importance of research ethics, we are going to see. The research ethics. In today's world, research plays a crucial role in advancing our knowledge and improving our lives. However, with a great power comes great responsibility. Research ethics are the moral principles that guide the researchers to conduct their work in a way that respects and protects individuals, communities, and the environment. In this video, we will explore the key principles of research ethics, their importance, and how they impact various fields of studies. They promote the aims of research such as expanding knowledge. They support the value required for collaborative work such as mutual respect and fairness. This is essential because scientific research depends on collaborations between researchers and the groups. They mean that researchers can be held accountable for their actions. Many researchers are supported by public money. That means we are using the public money for our research work. That means we have to more ethics about our public money. And regulations on conflicts of interest, misconduct, and research involving humans or animals are necessary to ensure that money is spent appropriately. Because again I am telling, the money which we are using for the project is from the public. They ensure that the public can trust research. For people to support and fund research, they have to be confident in it. They support important social and moral values such as principles of doing on human others. Thank you for joining us on this video.